Vande Mataram, and a very good morning to all. Recently, while on my quest to find something satiating to read, I came across a book that would have a lasting impact on me. This book is called Educated, and it's a memoir by Tara Westover. It's a remarkable story of self-discovery and transformation. And through her story, I was reminded of the incredible power of education to illuminate our paths, to transcend our limitations, and to shape our futures. So today, in hope that Tara's story will ignite the same fire of self-belief in you that it did for me, I'd like to share her story. Tara Westover was born in Idaho to radically conservative survivalist parents. They did not believe in education or even going to the doctors. She spent most of her formative years working in her father's junkyard, isolated from the outside world and denied formal education, subjected to the whims of an abusive patriarch. Her early years were marked with hardships and deprivation. It wasn't until the age of 17 that Tara would begin her long journey of liberation. Only tool in this journey was education. Amidst this darkness, Tara held on to the glimmer of hope that education can be the lifeline that would offer her a better future. With steely resolve and unyielding determination, indeed, education became her beacon of light, guiding her out of the shadows of ignorance and into the radiant embrace of knowledge. Through her sheer thirst for learning, she defied the odds. She would go on to become a PhD scholar at the much-renowned Cambridge University, but not without a constant battle with herself and a battle to reinvent herself and choose the path of personal development. Dear students, Tara's story is not just a testament of academic achievement. It's a testament of what a power of persistence and resilience and grit. It is essential that you recognize that education is not so much about making a living. It is about making a person. We all know how you perform in these examinations, in all likelihood, may not determine the course of your future, but how you choose to approach them does. It instills and reflects the discipline and dedication that is needed to lead a successful and fulfilling life. Remember, it is only education that empowers us, that can transcend our limitations, and cultivate the critical thinking that is important to navigate in this world. As you stand here today, on the threshold of a new beginning, let us draw an inspiration from Tara's story. Remember, if Tara can do it with all the odds stacked against herself, imagine what you can do with all the support and resources available to you. So my dear students, as you are wrapping one chapter of transformation and you embark onto another transformative journey of learning and growth, let us embrace this challenge with dedication, honesty first and foremost, dedication, perseverance, and courage. Let us never forget the transformative power of education to embolden our spirits and enrich our souls. In the end, I would like to leave you with one of my favorite quotes of all time, by arguably one of my favorite characters of all time, Gandalf the Grey. He says, "All we have to decide is what to do with the time that has been given to us." May you all emerge stronger, wiser, and more compassionate beings. Thank you, and all the very best.